Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Bold Reports. When exporting reports, it is often helpful to set custom file names instead of using the default names. This makes the exported files more organized and easier to identify. In this video, I'll show you how to set custom export file names in the Bold Reports JavaScript Designer. First, to create a JavaScript application, I create a new folder and name it JS Report Designer. I open the folder in Visual Studio Code for editing purposes. I create a new HTML file. Name it index.html. And add the code. Next is referencing the scripts. I add the necessary scripts in the head tag to load the report designer. Next, I initialize the report designer control in the web application. I create a div element, which acts as the container for Bold Report Designer on the web page, and assign an ID attribute and styles. The ID attribute specifies a unique name for the HTML element, so I assign the value designer. The style attribute adds inline styles to the div element, assigning width and height. Next, I add a script tag inside the body to customize the export file name. Then, I add the code to the JavaScript HTML file. I add the service URL. Here, the service URL points to your web API service. The service URL with localhost indicates that the service runs locally on the same machine as the application. And the API Report Designer path is the API endpoint for the Report Designer. To customize the export file name, I add the Export Item Click event inside the Preview Options property of the Bold Reports Designer configuration. Here, the Preview Options code snippet configures preview-related settings, including export behavior. The Export Item Click code is triggered when an export option is selected, allowing customization of export settings. The file name sets a custom name for the exported report. I set it as Demo Report. Now, everything is ready to run the application. I run the application. And the Report Designer loads in the browser. I add some report items to the designer. Then I switch to Preview in the top panel. When I export my report in PDF format, you will see the file is named demoreport.pdf instead of the default name. In this video, I have shown you how to set custom export file names in the Bold Reports JavaScript Designer. Thanks for watching.